So I want to address the non-technical PMs from the get-go and give them something they can use. What is the biggest problem non-technical PMs face in their roles?
If you look at a lot of companies that have non-technical PMs in teams, they're bureaucrats. They're stuck in Jira, they're stuck in Linear, they're stuck in PowerPoints. They're not actually building, they're not pushing code, they're not adding features. They're dependent on their technical teams to do that. And it's not like they don't want to. It's a combination of their not knowing how, they maybe the management culture doesn't allow them, maybe they don't have the skills and the tools to be able to do it, but they're waiting and dependent on everyone. And when we look to a lot of AI native organizations or even new companies moving super fast, you see that that is not a reality. You see product managers, technical or not, actually contributing, building stuff. You see CEOs contributing to repositories in GitHub. You look at the Shopify CEO and his GitHub is fully green. You see entire teams that are maybe, it used to be like 10, 20 people, and now they're super small teams, and they're all actually pushing new features, new codes to production. And I think this is the reality that if you're a non-technical PM and your job is still managing backlogs, your job is still writing issues, your job is still creating decks or PowerPoints to present to someone, and you're not really building stuff, honestly, you're being left behind. And I think you want to completely transform the way you see your role inside a team, which then will influence everyone else in the team to rethink their own roles and transform the squads entirely.
I used to think I had a retention problem. Turns out I had a messaging problem. I was sending the same onboarding emails to every new user, whether they activated on day one or never logged in again. I had no idea who was slipping or why. Customer.io changed that. Every message I send is now based on what users actually do in the product. Someone hits a key activation moment, they get nudged to the next one. Someone goes quiet, they get a different path entirely. Their AI agent makes it fast. I describe the campaign I want and it builds the full journey for me. Triggers, timing, copy, even branching logic. And when I want to know how something is performing, I just ask the agent directly and it tells me what to do next. They also have an MCP server, which means AI tools like Claude can see directly what's happening in your customer.io workspace. Your segments, your customer data, your attribution, all of it. So instead of explaining your business context every time you need help, Claude already knows it. Notion used customer.io to personalize their onboarding and hit nearly 50% open rate. Improved conversion by 6 to 7% with localized campaigns and pushed open rates up another 20% through A/B testing. The idea is simple. Customer.io helps you deliver more impact from every message you send. If you're a PM or founder and your onboarding is still one size fits all, try Customer.io at customer.io. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.